Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I came with some other MCQs of the topic control and coordination. So this video will be going to the part 1 of this topic where we discuss 20 important questions of the topic control and coordination. In the second part of this video we discuss further more 20 questions, important questions about the control and coordination. Okay, I hope it will be better for you to revise it well. So let's start from the first question. So here the first question is, which plant hormone promote dormancy in seeds and buds? So dormancy means inactiveness of the seed. So here the question is, which hormone promote this inactiveness of the seed? And dormancy may be permanent or temporary. So here the answer is option D, that is abscisic acid. Okay, as you all know, we have plant hormones, growth regulators and promoters or inhibitors. So abscisic acid comes under the growth inhibitor, which promotes the dormancy in seeds and buds. So here the answer is option D, abscisic acid. Next, question number 2. The root of plants are positively geotropic, negatively geotropic, positively phototropic, or none of this. So here the answer is option A, that is positively geotropic. Geotropic means towards the gravity. As you all know that root travel towards the gravity, hence the option A will be the correct answer. Question number 3. Response of plant root towards water is called chemotropism, phototropism, hydrotropism, or geotropism. So chemotropism means attraction towards chemicals, phototropism means attraction towards light, hydrotropism means attraction towards water. So here option C will be the right answer, that is the response of plant root towards water is called as hydrotropism and geotropism is towards the gravity. So here option C is the correct answer. Next, question number 4. Movement of sunflower in accordance with the path of sun is due to chemotropism, geotropism, phototropism, or hydrotropism. So here the answer is option C, that is phototropism. I already tell you the definition of all the 4 options. So here the answer is phototropism because the sunflower move according to the sunlight. Next, question number 5. Which plant hormone promotes cell division? Here a simple trick to remember is that cytokinin is the meaning of cytokinesis means cell division. Cytoplasmic division is generally called as the cytokinesis. So here there is a trick to remember that cytokinin generally promote the cell division. Auxin, gibberellin, abscisic acids are the wrong options. So here the correct answer is cytokinin, option C. Next, the main function of abscisic acid in plant is to promote cell division, to inhibit growth, to promote growth of stem, or to increase the length of the cells. As we all know that abscisic acid is a growth inhibitor. Hence, option B is the correct answer, that is, it inhibit the growth of the plant. Question number 7. Fall of mature leaves and fruits from plant is triggered by which of the following substances? Let's see the options. Auxin, cytokinin, gibberellin, and abscisic acid. So here the answer is again abscisic acid because it triggered the abscission or premature fall of leaf of fruit, flowers, and leaves of the plant. Next, question number 8. Any change in the environment to which an organism responds is called as stimulus, coordination, response, or hormone. Try to understand the question. Any change in the environment that an organism responds. Okay, here the stimulus is not the answer. The answer is what? Stimulus is the correct answer because how the organism is respond to the environment. Okay, this thing is called as stimulus. So here the correct answer is option A. Question number 8, option A is the correct answer. Next, question number 9. A part of the body which responds to the instructions sent from nervous system is called as receptor, effector, nerves, or muscles. Okay, again read the question. A part of the body which respond to the instructions that are sent from the nervous system. Okay, these are generally called as effectors. So here the option B is the correct answer. Option B, effector. Next question. The longest fiber on the cell body of a neuron is called sheath, cytoplasm, axon or dendrites. So here the answer will be option C, that is axon. Axon is a thread-like structure generally which transmits the impulse from cyton to the terminal part of the axon. So it is the longest part of the neuron. Okay. So answer is axon, option C. Next question. Which nerve transmit impulses from the central nervous system towards muscle cell? So here the options are sensory nerve, motor nerve, relay nerve and cranial nerves. So here the question is the nerve that transmit impulses from the CNS, okay, towards the muscle related to motor organ. So here the option B is the correct answer, that is the motor nerves. So motor nerve transmit impulses from the CNS towards the muscle cell. So here the option B will be the correct answer. Question number 12. A microscopic gap between a pair of adjacent neurons over which nerve impulses pass is called neurotransmitter, dendrites, axon or synapses. So here the answer is option D, that is synapse. Okay. Dendrites and axons are not the gap area, actually they are the parts of the neuron. Neurotransmitter is a chemical that transport the impulse from one neuron to another neuron like acetylcholine, but here the appropriate answer is option D, that is synapse. Okay, it is the gap between the two adjacent neuron. Okay, another end part of the axon terminal and the starting part of the dendrite. Next, question number 13. So here there is a diagram that stimulus received by receptor, then it is transported by sensory neurons to where there is a question mark. Then from that part the motor neuron take the stimulus and travel it from the refractory effector and then response is seen. So what is the answer in that box? So here the answer is what? Question number 13. Question number 30, option A, spinal cord. Okay, so stimulus received by the receptor transported by the relay neurons or sensory neurons to the spinal cord, then from the spinal cord to the effector and response is seen. So question number 13, option A is the right answer. Then next question. The highest coordinating center in the human body is spinal cord, heart, brain and kidney. So this is the easiest question. So option C is the correct answer here, that is the brain. Okay, so brain is the highest coordinating center in the human body. Then question number 15. Main function of cerebrum is thinking, hearing, memory or balancing. Okay, remember here cerebellum is the organ for balancing. Okay, the main function of cerebellum is balancing, whereas the main function of cerebrum is thinking. Okay, so here the option A is the correct answer, that is thinking. Next, posture and balance of the body is controlled by pons, medulla oblongata, cerebellum and cerebrum. So here the option C, just now I tell you that balancing or posture and balance of the body is generally controlled by cerebellum. So here the option C is the correct answer. Then question number 17. Breathing is controlled by which part of the brain? It is a very much important question. Cerebrum, cerebellum, hypothalamus or medulla oblongata. So here the option D is the correct answer, that is medulla oblongata, which is found generally near the hindbrain. Okay, the region of hindbrain. So breathing is controlled by medulla oblongata. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 18. Which part of nervous system control the reflex activities of the body? That is brain, spinal cord, cerebrum and cerebellum. Remember one thing, the reflex action is totally controlled by our spinal cord. Okay, so here option B is the correct answer, that is the spinal cord of the nervous system control the reflex activities of the body. As you all know, central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. So here the spinal cord carried out all the reflex activities. So option B will be the answer. Next, question number 19. Which of the following act as both endocrine and exocrine gland? Pancreas, thyroid, adrenal, or liver? So here the main thing is that it is also called as a mixed gland or a heterocrine because it also acts as endocrine and exocrine. So option A will be the correct answer, that is pancreas. Pancreas is a heterocrine gland, or you can also say mixed gland, because it has both endocrine part as well as exocrine part. So last question, question number 20. Identify which of the following statement about thyroxine is correct. Thyroid gland requires iodine to synthesize thyroxine. Thyroxine is also called thyroid hormone. It regulates protein, carbohydrates, and fat metabolism in the body. Iron is essential for the synthesis of thyroxine. Remember that here the question is which of the statement is incorrect. Okay, so all the options that are A, B, C are correct, but D, iron is not essential for the synthesis of thyroxine. Yes, it is essential somehow, but according to this question, option D will be the correct answer. So dear friends, so today we discussed 20 important questions regarding control and coordination. In the next part of my video, I come with more 20 questions, important questions which are very much applicable for the upcoming OAVS TGT Science exam. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.